just announced today Ford GT500. It's going to have 700 plus horsepower. Could be 750. Nobody knows. Strike number one against the new Ford GT500. Nobody actually knows the specs. Ford just seems really mysterious, like they haven't finished development or something. Strike number two, they put magnetic ride dampeners in it. You would think it would be to ride stiff on the track, smooth on the street. You're wrong. It's when you're running over bodies, it will potentially dampen some of the blow. Issue number three, dealership markup. Canada, GT350R could cost you $120,000. They're putting 25 grand right on the top, just because they can. That should put the GT500 in the $200,000 range. Would you get a ZR1 and save 20 grand after dealer markup, or would you get a GT500? Doesn't sound like a tough call to me. Issue number four, they got rid of the gear selector. Sports car guys, we like to take that thing, slap it over, row the gears in our automatics just a little bit more rewarding than just floppy paddles, because that's overdone. Comes in everything now. Instead, they got a little turn dial. It's like they're trying to go back to the caveman days when you had a sundial. What time is it? P. What time is it? D. Doesn't make any sense. Issue number five, the final issue of the entire car. It's going to combust and light on fire. The 350 did it. You think they've gotten any better at it? Absolutely not. Owners, pay your insurance. I'm going to give you guys a bonus. My sixth issue with the 2020 Shelby GT500. It's going to be a garage queen, because any owner's too scared that they're going to go out and spontaneously fly into a crowd.